Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm Stacy and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. Box 2 from the box of 2 shoes I picked up. So if you guys want to know what shoe is in this box, stay tuned. All right, well, like I told you guys in the last video, I bought 2 pairs of shoes. One of them was very similar to a pair I had already bought. Well, it was very similar to a Jordan low that I already have. And they are the low to a mid that I already have. So, as you all know, I went on and kept them. They're sitting over here. They're waiting on their spot on the wall, which I need to rearrange the wall. So anyway, lots of shoes coming in and all that stuff. Let's get to the box. Here it is. We got that white box with the gold jump man like we always get. I think the ladies, I want to think this is the ladies box. I'm not for sure. I don't know. But quit rambling, Stacy, and let's get on to the label. Women's Air Jordan Low, Air Jordan 1 Low. And the colorway is light madder root / dark teal green. And this is a women's size 9, of course. And we're going to get into this box. We got that white paper with the gold 23s. I've only seen these in pictures. I haven't seen them in person. So let's see. Ooh. Ooh. Come on, spring. Ooh, that's looking real spring. But I may have to pull these out in the fall, though. Ooh, these is nice. These is pretty. These is real pretty. Hold on now. Let me, okay, hold on. Let me get the other shoe out the box. And let's get into this. Let's get into these shoes. These are the Jordan 1 Low SE. Yeah, these are the Jordan 1 Low light madder root. Here is the shoe in the front right here so you guys can see. Here's the inside of said shoes. The back so you guys can see that wing, and the outside of the shoe. So we're gonna pull this left shoe because we are left-handed people in this house. Let's see, we have light madder root, dark teal green. The light madder root, I'm gonna say it's this pink color, the pinky color here on the shoe that's all around the toe cap, all the way up the eyelets, around the where the bottom of the ankle is, and the back. And the teal green is going to be the swoosh, your wings, your Jordans, your Jumpman symbol up top. And also the pink. I forgot to do this. I have to get in a better habit of doing that early. Your pink is going to be also on the sock liner. And that teal green Jumpman right there. We have the outsole in pink, midsole in white, and then we have this third color that they don't mention. And to me, this is kind of a tan color. I'm not going to say it's sail because sail is actually lighter. So this is more of a tan color and suede. So this is a mix of suede and leather Jordan 1 Low, and I love this colorway. Now, my brain is thinking if this came in a mid or a high, would I have bought it? And I probably would have. And I mean, if they don't release it by the time this video comes out, you might see another video. I don't know. But I am really digging this shoe. I love this color combo. You have that 23 right here and the laces right here. The 23 is stitched in that teal green and it's in pink. I like this shoe. I really like this shoe. I love the color. I like the colorway. I love the combination. Do I have things that go with this? I don't know, but I don't care because I like this shoe. So we're going to segue into the fashion segment so you guys can see what I actually came up with for this shoe. Okay, for this outfit, I went pretty much all Target. This Barbie sweatshirt I picked up from Target. I was actually influenced by another YouTuber, Socially Stacy J. Hey girl. Jeans are from Target from Universal Threads. Bag, as you guys know, This is the Coach Bandit bag, picked up on my birthday this year. Just something casual and relaxing. Nothing real crazy to go with the shoe. I wanted to bring out the brown tones in the shoe and just, you know, just keep it real casual and fun. So let's get on the floor and let's see how the shoe looks in natural light. All right, here's the shoe up close. You might see a sock line because I had a different pair of socks on earlier while I was working. But yeah, this is the shoe up close, where you can see the hits of the pink color. I switched out the laces from the pink laces to this teal lace to kind of go with the swoosh right here. I wanted something different. I want the laces to kind of pop out a little bit more on the shoe. But yeah, I really like this shoe. It's a cool like summer shoe, but you can take it into spring. And I really like how the shoe looks on foot. Let me let you guys see the wings on the back. But yeah, this is the shoe up close and personal. Okay, and for this look, I stayed with the same jeans from Target, but I switched it up and put this sweater on from Gap Outlet, and I changed the bag to my little can bag from Coach Outlet. Actually, I picked this up in 2020. It also comes with a long strap, but I didn't want to use the long strap. But yeah, just this sweater goes with everything. So it has all the different colors on here, and of course it works for this shoe. I think it works for every shoe in my collection, really. So I could just put this sweater on for every video. I just tucked it in a little bit in the front. But yeah, this, like I said, just casual. You know, I can always like jazz it up and change it into a pair of slacks with the sneakers. I can always change the bag, but I want to do something fun, you know, kind of pull out the pinky tone in the shoe that's also in the, which is also in the sweater too. So yeah, let's get on the floor one more time and then we can finish this up. Okay, and here is the shoe one more time up close so you guys can see the teal and the pink and even the brown. And your midsole is also in white. There's your outsole right there. But yeah, I like this shoe. I love all the colors of the shoe. It gives me those spring and summer vibes. Also, I like the fact that I was able to switch out the laces with this teal lace that pretty much goes with the swoosh. The shoes, as you all remember, came with a pink lace. I wanted to do something different, so I just wanted to pull that swoosh out. I do like the pink lace. I may end up switching one of the laces out to that one, but right now I do want to keep it with the teal, so you guys can see the sides and the back one more time. Also, here is the outsole, and here's the inside of the shoe. But yep, here we go with the Jordan 1 Low Matterroot. I hope you guys like the fashions that I came up with this, and I really like this colorway. I think this colorway is really nice. I like the blocking that they did on this. And let me show you the shoe one more time. This is the Jordan 1 Low Light Matterroot. The light Matterroot, I believe, is this pink color that's going all around the shoe and all the trimmings, including the laces and also the sock liner is in this color, and the outsole. The teal is going to be the swoosh, the wings, Jumpman on the tongue. Also the 23 that is in the laces, and also the Jumpman on the sock liner is also in that teal green. And also you have this suede khaki color on the toe and around the swoosh, and you have white midsole. I love the also the tongue is in that khaki color too. I forgot to say that. I actually like this color blocking. I know I need to spray this shoe before I even like walk out the door in it, but I love the color blocking. I like that. I could see myself wearing this year round. I really could. Not when it gets too cold, because I think when it gets too cold, I'm not gonna want to do anything but stay in a house and or wear a boot. But I do love this color blocking. I love this shoe, is really cute. I'm really liking this shoe. So if you guys have any questions about this shoe, I am going to have links below. Also, if you have any questions, just talk to me below here on YouTube, not on any other platform. That doesn't show YouTube that you guys are engaging with me. So please talk to me here on YouTube. All comments, questions are welcome. Not all. Because if you're negative, take that elsewhere. We're not doing that over here. Anyway. If you guys like videos like this and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing are free of charge to everybody, including myself. Also, if you guys want to read something, go over to my blog, sneakersandhandbags.net, where I talk about a little bit of everything: sneakers, handbags, movies, music, marketing, because this is what the blog started out as, and whatever is on my mind. That is it. I'm going to go eat dinner, and I have a 6 o'clock meeting, and it's 5:12. So I need to get moving, okay? So I can eat. Let me get out of here. Love, peace, hair products, sneakers, handbags, luxury, all that fun stuff. Bye.